Secrets you don't know about BUKUNMI OLUWASHINA. BUKUNMI OLUWASHINA, a talented Nigerian actress, singer, and filmmaker, has captured the hearts of many with her impeccable acting skills and soulful music. Known for her humility and creativity, she has risen to prominence as one of Nollywood's most admired stars. But beyond her on-screen persona and public life, here are some intriguing secrets and lesser-known facts about the star. 1. Her multi-talented background. While many know her as an actress, BUKUNMI OLUWASHINA is also a gifted scriptwriter and producer. She wrote and produced her debut movie Iomi while still a student at Obafemi Awolowo University. Surprisingly, the movie was shot with a limited budget yet went on to receive critical acclaim both locally and internationally. 2. Her passion for humanitarian causes. BUKUNMI is deeply passionate about giving back to society. She often engages in philanthropy quietly, supporting causes related to education, women empowerment, and mental health. Few know that she has helped sponsor several young girls' education, especially those aspiring to venture into the creative industry. 3. A lover of books. Many fans may not realize that BUKUNMI is an avid reader. She has a profound love for literature and poetry, which often influences her scriptwriting and songwriting. Her ability to weave heartfelt emotions into her work is inspired by her favorite authors and poets. 4. Her love story is a real-life fairy tale. BUKUNMI is known for being very private about her personal life. However, she once revealed that her relationship with her husband, Ebon, started as a childhood friendship. Their love blossomed over the years, culminating in a beautiful wedding that melted the hearts of fans. BUKUNMI OLUWASHINA continues to inspire millions with her talent, humility, and resilience. Whether on screen, in the studio, or behind the camera, she remains a force to be reckoned with in the Nigerian entertainment industry.